What do you do when you have a fire? For a lot of people, that question can cause them to panic. But for small fires, such as upholstery, clothing, or even a tiny kitchen fire, there is an option that you may not have considered. Before a fire gets out of hand, you can try to address it with a common household item: baking soda. That's right, this simple, inexpensive item that you probably already have in your pantry is a great way to put out fire. The sodium bicarbonate in the baking soda reacts with the oxygen in the fire to create carbon dioxide and smother the flame. While baking soda won't work for a large fire, it is an excellent way to smother the flames of a small fire before it can get out of control.